So the easiest way to restart your Android phone is to use the side buttons. And what makes it a little bit tricky is that the buttons you use will sort of depend on what type of phone you have and what settings you have enabled on your phone. On a lot of Android phones, what you're going to do is you're going to press the side button and the volume up button and hold them down for about 3 seconds. Now, on this Samsung phone I have, it's actually the side button and the volume down button that I'll press and hold. And then this power off menu appears. Here I can tap Restart, tap again to confirm, and the phone will restart now. On some phones, you don't need to touch the volume buttons at all. You can just press and hold the side button, and that's what's going to open up the restart menu. But on recent Android phones, the side button alone usually brings up the digital assistant. So to open up that power off menu, you'll need to use either the volume up or volume down button together with the side lock button, just like we just did. Whether it's the volume up or volume down button depends on what type of Android phone you have. But go ahead and try both. You won't do any harm if you end up pressing the wrong button. If you're having trouble doing this with the side buttons, another easy way to do this is through the quick settings. You can swipe down from the top right corner, and on some phones, if you only see limited settings, you can swipe down again to view the full panel of quick settings. Here, either on the top or on some phones on the bottom, you'll see a little power button, and you'll just tap that and you'll see the same menu open. Here, I just tap Restart, Confirm, and your phone is going to restart. And there you have it. That's how you restart your Android phone. Click that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more quick guides like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.